open my book set. This is very heavy. Oh, 2 minutes, guys. My art book fell down. Yes. So, guys, first we have to see this. This is my second standard book. Wow, this is very pretty. And I like very new notebooks and books smells. I do. Very good smell, guys. This is my which notebook? Science or English? This is my science and this is my English notebook. This is extra. This is my Hindi or Marathi notebook. This is my Marathi notebook and this is my Hindi. And this is the extra. This is my math notebook. And this is also my extra math notebook. This is my maths book session 2. Maths book. Oh. Now I'll tell you how many chapters are there in my maths book. First, I have to see. And tell after this book see and tell you after this all books, tell me comment who have this same books. Session 2. Last one chapter I'm not complaining. So guys, in this book, in my mathematics book, there are total 4 chapters. And this, which is my this. Mama, please tell me which is this book. I don't know which is this. No, notebook, which notebook I don't know. Anyone know to comment. This is my science book. Now I tell you. Session 2 science. In this total 16 chapters are there. And this is my computer book. Same is, no, this is not same. Session 2, smart computer. And this is a very small book. I don't know this chapter in this book chapter. And this is my Hindi book, session 2, chapter 2. This is my book, Hindi. Oh, look, in my Hindi book there is India Gate. This is my Marathi book. And I have to tell you one thing, guys. There is 4 English book. Marathi is very easy. Session 2. And in my Marathi book, total chapters are 33. This is my GK book. 4 English books. This is to same session 1 and session 2. And this too. Look, this is very cutie books. So now your time is over. Now we are opening the art book. And first I have to tell you one thing. In this art book, there is total 48 pages. Now I'm telling. Look how much there is information, there is pages. Now I'm starting this. Look, and now here is the colors and pencils. In this color box there is 13 colors, and in this pencil box there is 10 pencils. So first I am telling. So there is one sharpener and eraser. I am telling you. I don't see you this pencil box, but I am seeing you the color. Sorry guys, this is a very beautiful color. Look, this is the colors. And now I have to meet my friends. This is the catty, this is the tiger, and this is the teddy bear. If you like my video, do like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. Bye bye.